I'm off to Iceland today. Photography story, as you know. Hopefully get around about 3.5 hours of daylight a day. Hopefully get lots of photos and video. Yeah, so here you go. Check it out. Good morning, René Bruun, street photographer, with you here in Reykjavik, Iceland. First morning, got up at 7:15, so used to getting up early for sunrise. But it is now 7:30 and the sun doesn't come up for another 4 hours. You forget you're that far. 64th parallel. Anyhow, yesterday myself and Jean went around. We did a quick walk. It was dark when we got here. Footpaths were a bit icy, which we didn't expect because it had been raining and stuff, even though it snowed middle of last week. We walked downtown and we went to Hallsgrimkirke, which looked lovely, all lit up. I took some black and white shots, but because it's handheld and low light, they mightn't be that great. I'll stick them up here in the video somewhere. And then we walked down by Cafe Leica, which is a very famous cafe. We'll probably visit that today. And we went down to Rainbow Street, past a few different places. Now, we went to a grocery store on the way out just to get some snacks for the hotel. And I got a large can of Pepsi Max, an orange juice, 4 bags of salty licorice, because as you know I love salty licorice, and a large bag of jumbo-sized crisps about this size. And it cost a total of about €26. So a bit on the steepish side, just by a couple of euro, not too bad. But we did go to Lemmy's Rock Bar, a Coke 450 kroner, a beer mug, which is a Point of Gold beer I got, 1,600 kroner. I got the quarter pounder with the waffle fries, 3,450 kroner. Jean got the breaded chicken wings, the hot wings, which was 2,750 kroner, and an extra portion of French fries for 1,800 kroner. Total bill came to 9,250 kroner, which worked out €63. Now, it's a rock bar, it's not a restaurant, nowhere fancy, but in fairness, it was two pretty decent meals, and it was our first meal since yesterday morning when we flew here, so it was pretty good. We'll check out other places though for cheap eats, like coffee shops, get sandwiches and stuff like that. Maybe have one good hot meal a day, but we'll play it by ear. We're only here for a couple of days, we're not going to limit ourselves, so we're just going to enjoy it. For a little adventure with René. Let's see how fucking cold that's cold. I'm coming back in. Oh Jesus. Woo! Okay, just gonna go for a little walk in the dark. We found a little shop yesterday. I don't know if it'll be open. It's only 20 to 8, but I'm gonna see if I can go and pick up some snacks and stuff just to throw in the fridge. So on our way to Perlan, 700 meters away. Yeah, that's no problem. Up a steep hill. Oh my God, this is amazing. Oh my God, guys, this is so worth it. The ice caves are perfect, absolutely freezing. But the lagoon, oh my God, this is so lovely. American bar, dirty burgers and ribs. The English pub. Tell you what, lads, they're very good at naming bars over here in Reykjavik. The American bar, the English pub, the Irish pub. Fucking hell. $3,500 for 2 beers. That is about 28 euro. But then it turns out it's happy hour, so it's 1,000 cheaper. 2,500 kroner. Did I say 3,500 kroner? Euro? I can't remember. That's the silentry. So yes, 2,500 kroner for 2 beers, which is about €8 each. It's Iceland. It's probably temper bar prices. Oh, hello. Street photographer Dublin here. Or should I say, street photographer Reykjavik. Here I am in Iceland. Made a long trek this morning, -7 degrees, down to the seafront to Harpa, where they have the National Icelandic Orchestra play concerts as well as other concerts here. And I wanted to get some beautiful architectural shots inside. The building's amazing. And guess what? It's not open. Can you believe that? It's not open. So René Bruun back with you at the sculpture. I incorrectly said the Sea Voyager. It's actually the Sun Voyager. And in fairness, it's so cold here. If there was a voyage going to the sun, I would most definitely be on it. I'd be on that boat. Anyhow, we're going to go and take a little closer look at it. So come on down, join me. Something none of the videos on Reykjavik tell you is there's quite a few hills. There's more hills than a Benny Hill show. Unreal. So guys, René, street photographer Dublin with you. I was walking around, as I mentioned earlier, Harpa was closed, which was a disappointed. I was really looking forward to that. Temperature today is -7, but at least it's not raining. Walked around, took a few street pictures, didn't really get any people in yet. There's so many tourists, they really feel like, what do you do, pointing the camera at me? So I tried to take a few different shots of the local houses and stuff. Having a great time here in Reykjavik. Very expensive, but it's definitely worth a 3 or 4 day visit. So the tattoo place I'm going to, there's a power cut. I have to wait about an hour before I get my tattoo. What's it going to be? maybe a Leica camera, who knows. So I am back in the first bar myself and Jean went to while we were here on the first night in Reykjavik. It's just off Rainbow Street. It's called Lemmy from Motorhead. You could probably hear the music in the back. I'm currently having a pint of Gull, Icelandic lager, which is lovely. And Eva from Greece, the bar girl, gave me a shot of Brennivin, which you get when you have the fermented shark, but obviously I don't like fish, although there are fish in the background over here in the video. But it's known locally as Black Death. Let's see how this is. Woo! Oh, I can feel the heat off that. Totally worth it. It's like having an internal, oh man. I feel like Popeye. Ding, 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 ding. Anyhow, getting my tattoo soon. Hope you're enjoying the video from Iceland. It's about an hour of footage shot so far. And that's Eva there, just in the background. She's from Greece. There's a lot of Greek people here. I'm like, why would you move from somewhere so hot? Come where it's so cold, but you know, everybody needs a change in life. Everybody has their reasons. So yeah, I'm actually going to film and get my tattoo done. So scowl from Reykjavik.